So yes, my people, boy, guys, me have some good news and me have some bad news, guys. You know, good news, been a travel Canada for the last 12 years, and yesterday was one of the happiest year traveling. You know, reason being, I travel for my birthday. Yeah, I travel for my birthday come Canada. Yesterday was my birthday, the 19th of June. Yeah, man, and for the last 12 years I've been a travel. I've never traveled on my birthday. So it was an awesome feelings. No say on my birthday and I'm there in the sky. Sit down in a plane, relax. And I just look out through the window, you know. Yeah, man. But the bad news, guys, in that time, people, I almost take off of the flight in a Kingston, my people. Yeah, I almost take off of the flight, my people. I just too smart enough, but me never take off of a flight. You know? And I never know something when I been a do since me I do YouTube, my people, but me never know say if me do this, it was a problem. You know, me never know my people. Say, you what? If you don't want to know the reason, just subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for part 2. And I will explain and tell you the reason why me nearly take off of the flight. Them almost take me off of a flight, guys. You know, and them literally go to the pilot and tell the pilot to stop the plane. You know. But I say I look at him smart, I could have explained myself. People, welcome back once more again, you know, back at it again. You know, that time of the year we was for America. Yeah, man, Jamaican for America, traveling to Canada. Yeah, my people, so we're there once more again. Big up, kaboom. Yeah, man, remember him? I'm say Cherry.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. So we're there again with people. So, okay, days. You know, we just there wait for board the bus, my people, and then we head out to the airport, and then we don't know what next. So we also want to say, Father God, just guide and protect us while we journey, you know, to Canada. So know my people, I go there away from spearfishing for a while.
I'm not shot them on one part there.
You have to try next side?
Yeah.
Fully active.
One man forward and one man beside you. Negative to positive. My fire. We are one with.
Yes. People load up on the big bus.
Yeah, go make Papa be with you. Me set up my plan before me let's go.
Active. Search.
Going out and ching out all about, you know, I can't relax my brain. I watch. That we watch last year. We go out hotel last year. You know, go to
People, I go jump on the big drum budget, you know? Yeah. One danger. Active.
Many customers, these are those who want to all tickets, checkpoints, and receipts against number 3, and they sign in to cut your boarding pass and your passport ready to be inspected by agents at the boarding gate. To all security checkpoints and receipts against number 3, and they sign in preparation for boarding. Ladies and gentlemen, upon proceeding to your Candles Flight AC 965 with service to Toronto, Canada, please ensure you have all your travel documents such as your boarding pass and your passport ready to be inspected by agents at the boarding gate.
One kaboom, man.
yeah, look, Jimmy, we're fighting 3 months long.
They done.
That's one of our fight. Struggle, read.
Yes, the people push out there now.
Cabin crew confirm door status for departure.
Stadium. active once more again, my people. Just active again. Just arriving at Toronto. Yes, my people. Just arriving at Toronto, you know. I moved towards go pick up a luggage and one thing. And then we book in at a hotel, sleep for the night, get up back a morning, jump on it. Last flight to the final destination. So yes guys, with the back on the ground again once more again. So I want to say welcome everybody to Toronto. So you know we are going to pick up with luggage, you know. We have Breadman there, Lampy there. There are people, they active. There are the rest. See my people. Yeah man. Reach I suitcase them and we are just a search through and a certain that our luggage kind of want to take up the wrong luggage, you know my people. Yeah man, so find my suitcase guys. I have two of them. Two of them there. See it? So you know we're going to search the liaison officer and then we're going to get something to eat and then we head off to the hotel with people, you know. Yeah, so I'm just sending in some birthday wishes. Because remember, don't forget, today is my birthday. Today is my birthday. The 19th of June. Yeah man, I'm going to travel for my birthday for the first time. And it's night come down fully active. So we're up on the outside guys. So yes my people, welcome to Toronto, Canada. We are fully active outside my people. Night here now. So we're there wait on the bus at the bus terminal. We head to the hotel. You know, bus are going to take us to the hotel and then bring us back to the airport in the morning. So we will continue our journey to our final destination, which is in BC, Kelowna to be exact. You know? See that bus that? Next bus that, next one down there so. Yes, the people say bus arrive and we are packing the suitcase. You know, next we are heading. Yeah.
One lifestyle.
Alright, this is now guys. So this is my room. 2 bed a night. I have a TV. AC, you know what I go on. Plus me have a little small fridge empty. A bathroom. You know me can hold a fresh morning. So I go on. Yeah man. Iron, me can iron on my clothes. So when I saw I go on, my people, so I go lie down here now and get some rest. So I know so we will continue with the video in the morning. Yeah man. Yes guys, so we up and running again. You know, I want to tell them people to me get comfortable in the bed guys. Never want to wake. But I have to wake, you know, I have another flight to catch. You see? 5 minutes after 5 in the morning. We just exit the hotel and wait on the bus here now to take us back to the airport. And guys, I want to tell you, we are so close to the airport. Yeah. Can you see? That's Air Canada. See up on the building, Air Canada. That. So that is the airport. So I go and plane a land over there the same way. Yeah, man. So that is the airport next door, the hotel. Yes, so like I say, guys, we just wait on the shuttle to take us back, and then we check in and we easy back. Arrive and now, see it? So I collect the luggage, guys. That's how I go on. Them have some stone man. Say hello to my little friend. See? I talk about airport big me people. That Canada, nothing small. As far as you can see at the airport, that you know, the people. Yeah. Yeah, man.
One Odane spearfishing for life.
Outside. So we have to people. Yes, my people. Just check in luggage. And we are heading past through immigration, you know. Yes, aye.
Yeah, man.
Heading down. Mind your cross here. Watch your step, aye. Watch your step.
Next video. Yeah, man. That you have to understand this. This is a man that you don't say.
Yes, my people, welcome to Kelowna, Canada. They're back on the ground again. Guys, big up yourself, Kaboom.
Yes, Odane.
Active, my friend.
Yeah, man. Now be see again.
You know, say a work time, you know, my people from the land of work, you know. Yeah, man.
You can't drive, so you can't drive.
Yeah, man. So, you know, we then a car park a ground to the bus, load up the bus, see, move up and camp. But you know, first we have to go to the office, we do up paperwork, and make sure everything right. So just want to say, my people, nice to have you back on board, supporting the movement. Yeah. What you saying?
I say all the time I do everything I can't ask myself like but I'm make
people,
sure
boy, of course, say, I not video him.
Yeah, man, I'm supposed to inherit that.
Welcome to beautiful Canada, Kelowna to be exact, British Columbia.
I pull that bus.
Yeah. Guys, finally, we're up on the ground again, my people, and you know, I have to make a swag go on. So right now, I just walk come visit one of the orchard apple. I want to show you what them look like before them come to perfection. Yeah. So them look, guys. So right, just so now you have 3 apples together. So what would I normally do? You have a we do tinning, apple tinning. So what I just in order for alright, say in order for this one come to perfection, you just remove this one. You know, you can leave 2 if you want, but depends on the size what the boss I look for. Say if I look for some big size, you remove the other one, so you leave it down to with a single them out. Right, just saw the same. You just single them out to people. Same, you know. So right, you can take a closer look, you realize say you have a lot of apple where you have double, you have some where you have 5 in a one bunch, 6 in a one bunch. Just have 3 in a one bunch, another 3. So that just go right through the tree, the process of the tinning of the apple, my people. You know. For instance, on this limb you have quite a few apples. So what would I do now? Them single out my people. But what you do now? You just take out this one out of the middle. We take out but this up here so, you know. And this one under here so we take it out. Because you know the limb is too small to hold up so many apples. I would just remove this one, leave it single. You see me? Yeah man, you notice a short limb. Too much apple on it, it'll go break the limb. So you just leave 3. Or maybe I could have just take off this one, but I decide I will leave it, guys. You know. And another thing, when you do apple tinning, you try to take out the small one them or the deformed one them. Like all this one. You notice the other 2 them big. This one now come to perfection and take it off as well. Yeah, man, so and these are some cherry tree. Small cherry tree. And you see, basically and plant them throughout the row in the apple orchard, because what will happen, maybe this year be the last year of the apple. You know, as soon as the cherry come to perfection, guys, the employer he might go remove the apple, he might go push down the apple, because him no want no more apple here. This is what them do. Them now wait till them bulldoze down the apple, then them plant the cherry. Them plant it in the meantime. So when the cherry come to certain height, ready for bearing, when they reach to bearing stage, them just remove the apple. And the next year, them have cherry for pick. So yes, my people, I know I get the full understanding of what I go on. So what me I go do, as soon as I get the chance, I'm kind of there busy, I do some paper, but I decide I want to run come in the orchard and show you what I go on, you know. So as soon as I get the chance, I go visit one of the cherry orchard and I gonna see what I go on. I gonna see them before them come to perfection. So yes, my people, finally I reaching the cherry orchard. I walk come get a check out my people. Cause before we came, we hear that the cherry get damaged by 3 days of frost. You know, heavy frost that burn off majority of the cherry. So I walk come check out what I go on and show you what I go on. You know, so for all of the man them not come up yet and all of the new man them way did expect to travel this year. We learned that some of them visa get cancelled because the crop is not bossy this year, you know. The crop not bossy this year. Yeah man, last year it was really good, but the cherry them did fine. And this year I got expect to have some big cherry. Cause whenever time the cherry not enough on the tree, we realize say cherry them big. So I go show you how I go on, guys, you know. So this is how it look like. Remember good last year I show you would have all yes now good bunchy, as you can see. Scanty. But cherry still up on tree, my people. Cherry they have to pick. It have to pick off. But you know much this year. You can see what I go on. And this field is one of the price field. You know. One of the price field this. And from we see that field, you know, no beer. We know so the weather really damaged the cherry. You can see. So now get a close-up look. This is what cherry look like. You know. So this is the Canadian cherry, my people. This is what it looked like before it reached perfection. This year, the cherry is not much. Before we came, we hear that the cherry get licked by the weather, get licked by frost. So yes, my people, that's how I go on for cherry, and this is just one field, you know. But I think we're gonna have a better season in the apple than the cherry, based on what I see. You know, and I say based on what I hear, because remember I just come and this is the first orchard I visit, and the apple are the first orchard I go out there. We don't start work yet for really have a look to see what it is like. But based on what we hear from the guys who work, we come see, because a couple guys came before we, you know. And them will give you a heads up how I go on. So it's what it is, my people. You know. Yeah, man. So we just want to say stick and stay tuned to the channel, my people. Because you know as soon as we touch out then I orchard start work. Yeah, man, the video them will come in, you know. You know. And some bigger cherry. tree them scanty, very, very scanty. Last year, them tree last year, load with cherry.